You know, I just love tandoori food. And now, cooking delicious tandoori dishes at home has become so easy for me. Wondering how? With LG's charcoal convection microwave oven, it has made it possible for me to cook delicious and healthy tandoori food at home easily. Its charcoal lightning heater makes cooking healthier and more versatile, keeping the natural flavors and making your dish crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And it also saves your time and energy. With 30 healthy heart auto-cooked recipes, it not only takes good care of your taste buds but your heart as well. You can now enjoy crispy treats without worrying about all that oil playing havoc with your health. The LG microwave oven's diet fry feature lets you prepare lip-smacking dishes with minimal oil. So go ahead and eat all you like guilt-free. Barbecuing at home becomes easy and hassle-free with 360-degree motorized rotisserie that gives you crispy and tasty barbecue recipes at just a touch of a button. What's more, with LG charcoal microwave oven, you can prepare 28 different variety of exotic bread. The roti basket feature lets you prepare delicious naans, lachha paranthas, tandoori rotis, missi rotis easily. With LG charcoal microwave ovens, making hygienic ghee with absolutely no smell is a matter of just 12 minutes. Now, get rid of all hassles of the conventional milk boiling process with the unique pasteurized milk feature of the LG charcoal microwave ovens. Not just this, it also retains the nutrition of milk while removing bacteria and making the whole process more convenient than ever. Now make softer and delicious paneer at home without the use of any chemicals or enzymes. And perfectly blended, hygienically prepared and delicious homemade curd with LG charcoal microwave oven not only means taste and health but so much more convenience as well. LG's Neo Chef design looks enhance the beauty of your kitchen. Its stainless steel cavity enables better reflection and uniformity of heating inside the cavity for better even cooking. Unlike coated cavities, it doesn't peel off and offers longer durability. And the exciting part, with 301 auto-cook menu options, you can enhance your culinary skills with ease and convenience with just few clicks of a button. Made for Indian taste palates, it is made in India. So, enjoy hassle-free and healthy cooking experiences with LG charcoal convection microwave oven and enjoy delicious tandoori dishes at home without any guilt.